here's what a plant-based, gluten-free Taco Tuesday looks like. Actually kind of fire. All right. Boiling water. Gotta get the water boiling for the chia gel. It's gonna make the tacos just right. Gotta wash and chop the veggies. 1 tablespoon chia gel. Got the hot water going in the chia, just enough. Stir that around. You're probably watching this. What is he doing with that chia seed? You'll see. Look at that. I'm gonna let it rest. Got the bell pepper. I don't too much care about if the seeds get in there. Let them seeds. We use the whole fruit / veggie, folks. So whatever I don't eat goes in the compost. Especially these seeds right here. These seeds will get planted. Save them for another time. Dry them out. Seeds go right into the pan. Again, I don't care about the seeds. It's all going to get eaten. Mushroom. Veggies for a sweet sizzling. Compost. Wash these real quick. All right, it's tortilla time. Salva. Oats. Oil. This is olive oil. I like using olive oil and avocado oil. No saucy, no seasoning. Nutritional yeast, a little seasoning. That chia mix I was telling y'all about. Water, mix, schmoogly. I'm about to get in trouble with this one. Oh my goodness, look how that came together. Oh my goodness. Dough ball. Need your dough ball. Get the rest of that residue. Good God. Oh my, look at that. Gluten-free dough. Oh my goodness. A little bit of oil. Let it sit in there. Let it rock for a little bit. So since this dough is not like the other dough that has gluten in it, it doesn't need time to rise. So you really could just start rolling it out and letting it rock right now. But you know what? No, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna roll this out, but first I need to clean out the counter. Tortilla press. Look at that. Oh my goodness.